President Emerson Mnangagwa has deployed 900 newly passed out police officers ahead of a mass demonstration against his rule, planned for March 31 by a pro-Chiwenga faction. Sanapena mashoko ataona panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika odeploya aiwa 900 macops panguva ino yatiri kuona pane uprising yakarongwa nevanhu pa 31 March. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pano panawo mabudani kwa mchinzi. The protest, spearheaded by a figure known as Maukom, believed to be based in South Africa, is mobilizing against Mnangagwa's controversial 2030 agenda, which aims to extend his grip on power. The brewing political storm came into the spotlight on Sunday when a group of disgruntled women ambushed self-styled cleric and ZANU-PF apologist Obadiah Usindo. He had allegedly used for political campaigns without compensating them. The confrontation took place at his usual Rainbow Towers Hotel venue, where the women accused him of betrayal. In response, Musindo alleged that they were being manipulated by Maukom. Maukom later took to social media to declare that the March 31 demonstration would target Mnangagwa and his key allies, including businessmen Wilton Chivayo, Phil Magu Kuda Tagwirei, and ZANU-PF loyalist Paul Tungwarara. However, the most notable aspect of the event was the conspicuous absence of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a key figure in Zimbabwe's political landscape. Ndiwo mashoko anobudani nobva panapa pakomana vachitaura mashoko achiti aiwa vatoona kuti mutungamiri wenyika chideploya mamwe mapurisa 900 aiwa zvinoitwa mushure mekunge mawanzika mafamba mashoko kuti aiwa so 31 March people they are planning aiwa a demonstration iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa inoenda against mutungamiri wenyika 2030 bid or 2030 agenda. Panguva ine zvakuonekwa kunzi aiwa kunyange nagenerali musi aiwa waipromotewa these corps he was absent. Zvaizoonekwa kuti aiwa the political environment in Zimbabwe is now tense. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko chimira comment section yedu. Kuti mafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.